Jamie Waldo. Today's video is on affordable Zoom conference tops. All of these tops are from Target. You can order online and pick these up safely. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell with all notifications on so that you don't miss any of my future videos. For the last few weeks, there have been more and more people working from home and more people on Zoom. I wanted to be able to share some really affordable Target tops. Today's video is all about business up top and comfy relax on the bottom. Nobody can see your yoga pants or sweats on the bottom. To be honest, I know this outfit really well. Almost every single one of my videos that you watch, I have a nice top on the top, and I always prefer my sweats on the bottom. I have to change out through a lot of different outfits, so when I'm sitting here filming, sweats are my go-to. If you haven't already seen my sweatpants under $25 video, I share with you all of my favorite comfy sweatpants. I'm gonna have that video at the end on the end card, so when you're done watching this one, you can click over to that one if you wanna see some really affordable sweats under $25. My favorite sweats happen to be my Walmart $8 sweat. I'll be sharing with you some perfect tops for your Zoom conference videos. All of them will be listed down below in the description box. We as a world right now have really heavy hearts, and I'm here to bring some positivity and distraction to your life. I'm trying to keep my videos as upbeat as possible and as close to the same as they've been. I, like everyone, have been ordering online, except for going out to get the essential items that we need. My first top that I'm going to be sharing with you is by the line A New Day. I got this one in a size small, and this is $24.99. This is a lightweight fabric, and it has some really cute little details on it. It has the ruffled flowy sleeve that I really liked on this one. It has the gathered hem around the neck. It is a V-neck top. This is a really lightweight blouse, perfect for spring now that it's starting to get a little bit warmer. If you want to throw on a blazer, this is one of my favorite blazers. This is from Old Navy. I got this in an extra small. This is their boyfriend blazer. This is a great versatile blazer to be able to go over most of these tops. This is normally $40, but they always have a ton of sales, 30% off, half off sometimes. This one will also be linked down below if you're needing a blazer to go over some of your tops. The next top that I'm going to be sharing with you is this long sleeve cream blouse. This is a polyester blouse. This is very lightweight. This has a speckled pattern on it. This is a V-neck, and then with the tie up at the top. It has the gathered stretchy hem around the neck. This is by the line A New Day. This is a size small, and this top is $20. This next Target top is short sleeve, and this is one of my favorites from this haul. This is by the line A New Day. I got this top in a size medium, and I really like the way that this medium fits me. This top is $19.99, and it's lightweight. This is a great lightweight top. You can throw the blazer over it. You can put a little cardigan over it. The neckline comes up nice and high. The back has a keyhole and an elastic button clasp. Most of these blouses you can wear with jeans and maybe some little flats. I'm going to share a tip for you for looking your best on Zoom video. Lighting is everything. If it's during the day, you can get close up to a window. I used to use window lighting when I first started my YouTube channel, and then I moved up to a ring light. They have a standing ring light that would be very helpful for good lighting for your videos, and they also have the ones that attach to items. I'll go ahead and link a couple of ring lights and then also the lighting that I use in my studio. My ring light has different settings that you can adjust the amount of light, and you can also adjust warm to cool lighting. This is my studio lighting that I always use. This is just using the light that's coming through the window and just using the lighting that's in this room, which isn't very much. This is the lowest level of the house, and I don't get much light in here. And this is using my ring light. You can also adjust cool to warm lighting on this particular ring light. This next blouse is a cotton blouse. It is very lightweight. It has the Swiss dots throughout the fabric. This is by the line A New Day. I got this in a size medium, and this is $24.99. It does have the V-neck. It does have the puff style sleeves with the elastic at the wrist. This has a tie waist and then flows out onto your hips. I really like that it's adjustable to your body. This is a very lightweight, almost sheer fabric. I'll probably put a little white cami underneath mine. The next top for your Zoom conference videos that I'm going to be sharing with you is this all black blouse by A New Day. I got this in a size medium, and this top is $16.99. I'm all about the puff sleeve trend right now. I really can't get enough of it, and I like that this is more of a business blouse. This would go so good with a little pencil skirt or some slacks. But right now, we're not really worried about that. This is a texture fabric, mostly polyester and 2% spandex, so it is nice and stretchy. I sized up in most of these tops because I didn't want them too tight and fitted on me. I could have done a small in this. It's really up to your preference and what you're looking for. My next shirt is a long sleeve button down. This is by the line Universal Thread. I got this in a size medium, and this is $19.99. This is 100% cotton, and the fabric on this is just so beautiful. I'm gonna get a real good close-up so you can just kind of see what I'm talking about. This is a lightweight cotton. It has the one front pocket, and it does have a rounded slit hem down at the bottom. I really love this beautiful blush pink and white. My next top is very similar to the last one. It's also by Universal Thread. I got this one in a size small, and this is $19.99. This one is also a rose color, but this is more of a worn rose. This fabric is 100% lyocell. Feels a lot different from the cotton. This is a very soft fabric. This is a button down. It has 2 pockets up front, and this also has the curved hem down at the bottom. That's it for all of the Target tops for your Zoom video conferences. I wanted to give you some ideas of what's out there, try them on, and let you see how they look. But I know it is really valuable to see the sizes and just how they fit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you're interested in affordable sweatpants under $25, that video is right here. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time.